In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $12,295 in commission with TikTok affiliate marketing just in 22 days from the first day of September until the day 22. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots, I can click here. This is my dashboard, marketing tools, reports, and just last month I made $17,325 and it's paid just by using these methods and these tools, those services and product that I will share with you in this video. So you just need to copy and paste so we can start making some commissions like this. Okay, you guys can see, and if you guys are interested, you just need to follow those steps. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Okay, anyway, so for people who want to start making money with TikTok affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Anyway, just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, choose no. Choose your country from here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR and so on. What you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you should start promoting on TikTok to earn commission, and I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on TikTok that made me a lot of commissions just by using this one single service. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page on Fiverr, click on the search for Shopify marketing, because from my experience, a lot of people are using TikTok to promote, to do e-commerce dropshipping. Okay, so those people who are using TikTok for dropshipping and e-commerce, they will be interested to buy like those services about Shopify marketing to increase their sales and get more sales and make more money. Okay, so that's why I choose this one, Shopify marketing. Scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. They will see if those sellers are good sellers or not. They have good feedback or not. If you are choosing good sellers, you are fine. People can trust those sellers and they can buy those services from those sellers and you can earn commission. Okay, so I will choose, for example, one of those sellers. For example, like this one, you guys can see this one is level 2 seller. I will boost Shopify sales, Shopify store marketing sales. He has almost 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service that you like to use and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. As you can see, what you will do next, you need to copy the link of this seller. Copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. Before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page and we will scroll down, click here on more and scroll down, go over here to about this gig and click on his first video. So this seller has a video which is really good. Let's check.
That's great. That's great. Okay. So real quick, can you share your screen and log into your store and let's see how the store has been doing so far. Yeah. Okay. I enabled the share screen option so you can share your screen and log into your store. Then you can see how your store has been doing so far.
As you can see, guys, this seller has a call with his customers, and he will show the results. I think.
Yeah.
The results of his customers. Okay, so let's see.
All right, great. I've had 250. Great. This is amazing.
You guys can see that this seller has helped this customer, this person, to get more sales on his Shopify store. So what we will do next, we just need to double click on the video and we need to save this video to our laptop. Save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it Shopify, like this. Click on save and that's it. After you finish, what you will do next, you will go back to Google and search for Canva. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on custom size, scroll down, click on more, click on the search for TikTok video. Over here, click on TikTok video and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload, click on upload file and upload the video about Shopify. And you have a lot of services that you can use. You don't need to use just this one, you have a lot. So this seller is good seller because he has a lot of reviews. People already paid this for this service and they are satisfied, which is really good. That's why I choose this one. Click on open and that's it. Your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video and your video will be uploaded.
That's great.
Your video will be over here like this in this page. What you will do next, you just need to make your video like this. Click on the background, click on background color and choose black color like this. Click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. I'm gonna use this one for example. Just click on the text style, your text will be here. Click on the, I will delete the second one, this one, and I will decrease the font size of this text like this. Double click and write this sentence: check link in my bio to get Shopify marketing service, like this. Okay, make your text like this. And here you go. So I will put this text, just let me edit. Click on duplicate and I will put this text again here, and that's it. So people who will watch this video on TikTok, they will see this: check link in my bio to get Shopify marketing service. Okay, so those people who are doing e-commerce or dropshipping on TikTok, they will be interested to scale their products and get more sales, scale their sales, get more sales and make more money. Okay, so what you will do next, so the video is done.
That's great. Okay,
you see, so what you will do, click on share, click on download, and this TikTok video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and open your TikTok account, click on upload this video to your TikTok account. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, like I said in my videos, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, it's almost the same. Go back to your TikTok account and you need to put your affiliate link in your TikTok bio. For people who are asking, but how we can promote a lot of services, because we can put only one link in our TikTok bio. You have a solution. What you need to do, you just need to create an affiliate website. It's already on YouTube. You have unlimited videos on YouTube showing you step by step how to create a website, an affiliate website. Then you can use this website and put all your services that you want to promote on TikTok related to TikTok or e-commerce or dropshipping. Put those services in your website and put the link of your website in your TikTok bio, and that's it. You can get you can make a lot of money with this business model. This business model is clear, but it's not easy. You need to create good videos. You need to stay consistent. Upload videos on TikTok. There is no limit. You guys can upload unlimited videos per day, and the more videos you upload, the more your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, and if one video go viral, because you don't need followers on TikTok, it's not about followers. If you just make a good video, you can get millions of views even if you have 0 followers. Okay, with TikTok and Instagram, we know that those short videos go viral. You just need to make good content. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in this description and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.